Shades of Shay.
Hey guys, today we will be doing a starter lock retwist. In this video, I am dropping tips and information on things to look for during your journey or for beginner lock stylists on 2 strands twist starter locks. Her locks were started 6 weeks prior to this appointment. The method we started with was 2 strand twists. Tip number 1, in any type of locks, it is normal for the hair to be somewhat matted or ununiform in the nape area. That is the back area of the head. We call that the nape. This is due to manipulation and friction. Just think about it. Like, this is the area that most people lay back on. When you put on a bonnet, scarf, you wear a collared shirt, if you would put anything around your neck, so if you wear headphones around your neck, more than likely they touch this back area of your head. And due to all of that, that friction can cause your hair to become matted. It can become ununiform, or it could just easily slip out because that area of the head is always moving because we're turning our heads. Tip number 2, it is completely normal for some twists, coils, and braids to separate. Simply fix them by the preferred starting method. With coils, depending on the hair type, maintenance, and etc., it's possible you have to restart a lot of them. You guys, I've had clients that have came to me and I started coils, and by the time they come back, it's like, wait a minute, didn't I already start your coils? Why did you book a retwist? Baby, this is starter locks all over again. And then in some cases, it will literally be their first retwist. But like I say, in other cases, sometimes you will literally be starting over again. Now, this can be different from client to client, from hair texture to hair texture. No head will be the same. No appointment will ever be the same. Tip number 3, frizziness is 100% normal. A lot of people start to question the process due to frizziness. Don't do it, guys. Your starter locks is still hair, and they will forever be hair, whether they're locked, whether they're mature, whether they're starters. 9 times out of 10, your loose natural hair behaved in the same manner. But the reason why people tend to want to give up on their lock journey so quick is because most people who start their lock journey, they never wore their natural hair to begin with. So therefore, some of the things that they're dealing with would have been the same things they dealt with their natural loose hair, and the things that they have dealt with their loose natural hair, but they tend to forget because they didn't. Tip number 4, retwist to the right, not the left, to the right. Also, if you're going to start locks in twists or coils, it is best to start to the right. If you're twisting, that is left over right. Your motion should go to the right. Starting in either method and retwisting hair in the opposite direction will confuse the hair and prolong the uniform locking process. Now, the reason why I say that is because your hair can still lock in any type of way. Whether you leave it alone, whether you get maintenance, or you get maintenance, here and there. But if you are wanting a more uniform lock journey, it is best to keep your maintenance up. So therefore, when I say confusing the lock, if you twisted your hair to the right, but you're doing retwist to the left, or you twisted your hair to the left and you're doing retwist to the right, you are confusing your hair. And therefore, you will be prolonging the process of your hair locking due to the going back and forth. The hair is confused. Will it still lock? Yes. But will it be uniform? No. And in that way, you will more than likely have to get reconstruction, depending on how long it has been that the inconsistency with the locking as far as like your maintenance. So please be sure to do everything to the right. Now, I have had clients that have came to me and their hair was supposed to go to the right, but the last person they was going to the left. And when I tell you, it did more damage than they really realized, because what is happening is the hair, like the bottom of the lock could be mature, but that top of that lock is not mature. So sometimes, say that lock is probably like, we'll say 10 inches long. Depending on how long they was going to that person, half of their lock can be ununiform, meaning it could just be like that loose natural hair, and the only thing holding it together is the maturity of that lock at the bottom. Or it will look like breakage at some point, because that's what it can lead to. So in that way, in that sense, crochet maintenance would definitely have to be done for reconstruction. That would be the fastest answer, or you have to just keep getting palm twists to the right. Tip number 5, keep up with your maintenance, especially in the beginning stages. This is important for your lock journey. Clean, moisturized hair will set you up for a beautiful journey. Make sure you are covering your locks in debris, harsh weather, and lint. Please keep hoodies and towels out of your hair. I cannot stress the hoodies and towels enough. We can actually throw in the sheets if we want to, because what I deal with, more particular in my younger clients, so my clients that are like teenagers, middle school, the ones that wear the hoodies all year long, yeah, even when it's 150 degrees outside, yeah, that crew, they love wearing hoodies. And so I have to always have that conversation well, I won't say always, but it is a frequent conversation that I have to have with some of the parents and let them know, hey, those hoodies that they're wearing, let me show you why. And I show the parents what the hoodies is doing to their hair. I also show the client. I have the conversation with the client first before I have it with the parent, because what I have learned is children tend to listen to outsiders sometimes more than they listen to their actual parents. And then when I go have that conversation with the parents will be like, oh, I did tell him that. Oh, I did tell her that. Well, maybe you telling them going to show them a different light, because when I tell them, they don't listen. So here I am telling you guys, please keep the hoodies, the lint, and the towels out of your hair. The reason for that is because it can create buildup in your locks, especially if you are a person that use heavy products, creamy products, which I don't recommend. But if you're using oils and just excessively not covering your hair, yeah, you're setting yourself up for a journey of lint in your hair. Hoodies, yes, you can wear a hoodie, but do you need to keep it on your head 24/7? No. When you see lint, you need to remove it, because it can build up in your locks, and then you're going to be coming to us trying to get us to dig it out. And now we got a problem. Okay? Now, of course, that was only 5 tips, but of course we can go all day long when it comes to tips in your lock journey, or if you are a beginner lock stylist. But comment down below. Let's help each other out on our journeys, whether we are the stylist behind the chair or the person going through this journey. But comment below which tip that you think was the most important, or if you didn't think any of these tips was important, comment the extra tip. Let's help each other out. If you have any questions, concerns, drop them down below. Also, I'm open to video suggestions, so you guys make sure, let me know what y'all want to see from me. If you have any questions that you just want me to answer, we could do that. But let's talk below. See you guys down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I am here to help you guys, because why? Y'all gonna be here. Peace. Thank you guys for watching, and please follow me on all social media platforms at Shades of Shay _ at the end. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. I am here to help you guys, and you guys talk to me. Don't be scared. Bye.